there, crypto warriors. I'm your host, Megan. Welcome back to Kryptonite XRP, your go-to channel for the latest updates and news in the crypto world. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's been shaking up the market: the SEC's crackdown on crypto. Specifically, we're going to talk about how this is affecting XRP and whether we're losing out because of it. Stick around because this is going to get intense. So let's cut straight to it. XRP is once again in the crosshairs of the SEC. In July 2023, we saw a big win when a federal court ruled that XRP is not a security when sold algorithmically to retail investors through exchanges. That decision gave Ripple Labs and XRP holders a much-needed boost, and for a while it felt like the dark clouds were finally lifting. But just when we thought things were settling down, the SEC came back swinging. In October 2024, the SEC officially appealed that ruling. As soon as this news broke, XRP's price tanked, dropping by as much as 11% before it managed to claw back some of those losses. Currently, it's still trading lower, sitting around 52 cents. So, what does this mean for XRP going forward? The appeal is likely to drag out this legal battle for months, if not years, and that uncertainty is hammering investor confidence. The case could easily last into 2025 or beyond, meaning we're in for a long ride. The SEC's relentless pursuit of XRP has already slowed the momentum for projects like Bitwise's proposed XRP exchange-traded fund, which is now looking less likely to get approved anytime soon. This appeal throws a wrench into what could have been a huge growth opportunity for XRP holders. Now, let's talk about the man behind the madness: Gary Gensler, the SEC chair. Gensler has made it his mission to crack down on the crypto space, and honestly, it's becoming clear that his actions are doing more harm than good. He's been going after crypto projects and exchanges with a vengeance, labeling many of them as unregistered securities and demanding compliance with laws designed for traditional financial markets. The thing is, Gensler's tough stance might be too aggressive. By treating cryptocurrencies like they're no different from stocks or bonds, the SEC is slowing down innovation and driving fear into the markets. Projects that could revolutionize industries are now being stalled because they're tangled up in legal red tape. XRP's ongoing battle is a perfect example of this. Sure, the SEC claims it's all about protecting investors and cleaning up the industry, but here's the truth: it's causing chaos and uncertainty. And we all know that uncertainty in the crypto market leads to one thing: price volatility. XRP's recent plunge is just one of many cases where the SEC's heavy-handed approach has spooked investors and hurt the market. Let's dive deeper into how the SEC's appeal specifically affects XRP. When the initial ruling came out in 2023, it was seen as a partial victory for Ripple Labs and a major win for the broader crypto industry. But the SEC's decision to appeal has thrown everything into question once again. Here's the harsh reality: this appeal is going to keep XRP in legal limbo for the foreseeable future. The SEC isn't backing down, and the longer this case drags on, the more it hurts XRP's potential to thrive. Investors are hesitant to jump in when there's so much uncertainty, and Ripple's plans for expanding use cases for XRP are likely to be slowed down or stalled completely. Plus, with the SEC pushing back on rulings like this, it could set a precedent that impacts other cryptocurrencies as well. If XRP is ultimately labeled a security, that could mean more coins will fall under the same scrutiny, making the entire market more unstable. The fact that XRP is struggling to hold on to its value even after rebounding from its recent low shows just how fragile things are right now. As for how long this legal saga will continue, experts say it could stretch well into 2025, maybe even longer if the SEC keeps dragging its feet. That means XRP holders should buckle up for a prolonged battle and brace for more volatility as the case unfolds. Now, let's throw a curveball into the mix: the 2024 US elections. Whether you love him or hate him, there's no denying that if Donald Trump wins, things could seriously change for the crypto world. Here's why. Trump has made it crystal clear that if he gets back into the White House, Gary Gensler is gone. He's promised to fire Gensler on day one of his presidency, which would completely shake up the SEC's approach to crypto. Without Gensler at the helm, we could see a massive shift in how the SEC regulates the industry. A new SEC chair under Trump might take a more hands-off approach, which could be great news for XRP and other cryptocurrencies that are caught in the regulatory crossfire. We could potentially see less scrutiny, more freedom for innovation, and even the approval of projects like the long-awaited XRP ETF. But here's the flip side. Trump's plan to remove Gensler introduces even more uncertainty. While some investors might breathe a sigh of relief, others could be cautious, wondering what kind of regulatory chaos might follow. A sudden change in leadership could lead to shifting priorities, which might cause more instability in the short term. So while there's a glimmer of hope on the horizon, it's still a wild card. So what's next for XRP? Honestly, it's going to be a rocky road ahead. The SEC's aggressive stance, combined with the ongoing legal battle, means that XRP's future is still hanging in the balance. If the appeal stretches on for years, it could stifle growth opportunities, delay major projects, and keep investors on edge. But if we see a shakeup in the SEC after the 2024 elections, things could take a turn for the better. Without Gensler leading the charge, there's a chance the regulatory pressure on XRP might ease up, allowing it to regain some lost ground. However, for now, all eyes are on the courts, and the clock is ticking. So, are we losing out because of the SEC? Right now, it sure feels like it. XRP's future is uncertain, and until this legal storm clears up, the market is going to be tough for investors. But what do you think? Will XRP emerge stronger from this, or is the SEC dealing a fatal blow to its potential? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on XRP, Bitcoin, and all the hottest crypto news. Thanks for watching Kryptonite XRP, and as always, keep hodling.